Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share. And this is some I'm doing in stages, but this is the beginning one, kind of like I do when I do other events. But this is for a baby boy. He's turning 1, and I showed you guys last year the baby shower when I did the boxes, the big decorative boxes, and I had his name spelled out, Linux. So his hands have appeared a couple times on my videos. Anyway, he turned 1. And so they're doing a birthday party for him. So it's Mr. Wonderful is the name of the is the theme of the party. And so these are just the juice boxes, and these is how I decorate them. I was gonna do I had 2 sets of 8. I was gonna do 2 different types, but my daughter and I were sending her pictures, and she was like, just make them all different. So I made them all different, and I'll show you what I did, and then I will come back and show you like the candy bars in different stages. Okay, so I used my Cricut to cut out the items, and the top hat that you'll see is from Photo Booth Props. The bow tie is from The Billionaire, and then the number 1 and the word 1 are both from Days and Dates. So if you have those particular cartridges or Access Design Space, that's where you can find them at. So what I did was I would have some of the pictures at the top and some of the pictures at the bottom, and so like these are the opposites of each other. Hopefully you can see that. Hope the light is not too bad, but I have pictures on Instagram. And then, I don't know if you can, let me close my blinds right quick. Early in the morning. Let's see if that's a little better. Anyway, that's the first one I think I showed you. And that one. And yeah, it's a little reflective with the gold. So these are with the words 1. And then there's another one over here somewhere. Alright, so these are some of the numbers. And the bow ties. I love doing it because it's fun. Oh, here's the other one. Alright. Those 2 go together. And then last, those 2. So, that is the first section. So, that is, the little juice boxes that I did, and then I'm going to come back. I will show you the candy bars and a couple more, the chip bags and everything else. So anyway, I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back with another part of it. So what I had to make was some candy bar wrappers. And again, the theme is Mr. Wonderful, and the colors are black, gold, and blue. So I did 2 designs for the candy bars. So they both said Mr. Wonderful, and I made the fonts on my Cricut. And I mentioned them earlier, but I did change this one. I think this is the new one. I'll try to get it to you by the next section. But anyway, so that's metallic-y. So that is the front. It says Mr. Wonderful, and that's lined up, and then that's the top hat, and then on the back I have another picture of him, and it says ingredients: loving son, developmental milestones, play and exploration, happy first birthday, Linux. Says nutritional facts, and a baby picture of him on the back. And then the second design is that one with the bow tie, and says Mr. Wonderful. The wonderful is just offset here on that one, and the gold butterfly with a little black bling. And again, the same thing on the back. So those are the 2 designs. I think it came out so cute. And then I will be back with the letters, and the chip bags. Okay, so I'm back with my chip bags. So I want to show you the ones I messed a couple up, but I can just reprint them, repack them again. But I had the 18 pack, 6 different varieties. I did probably like 15 different designs, but I ended up going with 2. and that covered them. So here they are, my chip bag. I'm so proud of myself. The first time ever doing this. I had to figure it out, watch a couple videos, and play around. So one thing I will say is that I did see somebody said your crimper, which I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and this is the wave crimper. Let me show you. It crimps really well. I'll throw it in the trash, but see, crimps really well. Piece of paper. But guess what? Just like somebody said in one of the videos I watched, it doesn't work on glossy paper, and this paper is glossy. So I tried to crimp. Oh my God, it didn't crimp. I don't know if you can see it, the little wave, but you know, to me, it kind of made the paper like right on the edges. I don't like that. So I'm gonna do the first couple ones. Like it bent it up a little bit. Like I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just picking. I don't like that. I was mad, disappointed that couldn't get it to crimp. I was so upset. But I'm gonna do these two over. So I just gotta print two more out. So I actually got the 80-pound glossy paper. Now this one I'm gonna do over too. This is one I did, and it bent the paper up here. So these three I'm gonna do over. But you can see the wave a little bit on that one, and I'm so upset because I like the wave, but it's so difficult, and I just can't run the risk of, you know, printing them all over again because it's too much. But anyway, this is what I did. So these are the two designs, and so it says Mr. Wonderful, Happy First Birthday, Lennox. And then on the back is this picture. It says, thank you so much for attending Lennox's first birthday party. Nutritional facts, barcode, and a baby picture. And then this one, again, it says Mr. Wonderful, Happy Birthday, Lennox. And then, again, the same stuff except the word one right there. So, and this is a fuller bag. You can see some of the bags aren't as thick, like this. I forgot what this was, Cheetos? I don't know what it was. But it's a lot thicker. It works so much easier when the bag is thinner. So, because that's a variety pack. So, I will say, like, the Funyuns and the Cheetos, I think, were the ones. Cheese Puffs. The Puffs and the Funyuns, I think, were the worst. That was easy to do. That was easy. And some of the chips, too, they're kind of puffy, but some of them were a little flatter than other ones. So that's why I did some of the bags a little thicker than others. Just depends on how thick the bag is. And then I divided and have some of the thinner ones in here. But some of those are thick too. So it just depends on the bag. But of course, if you can have it deflated, it would be better. The mom already bought the chips, so that's why I did it this way. If not, I would have done it the other way. I've seen other people use the Ziploc bags inside of and then pour the chips. That probably would have been easier and made it resealable because then you can keep it like how you want to. But anyway, so I may try matte paper the next time. I didn't feel much difference between the 80 and the 100 when she gave me. I mean, like literally it felt the same. So that's what I went with. But I'm just going to redo the ones I just showed you over. But this was fun. It was exciting. I designed it in Word. You can do it in Cricut. I didn't have much time. I decided I was going to do it quicker in Word. And that's what I did. So that's what I did. So I have one more project to show you, I think, and then we'll be done with this birthday party. But anyway, so I'm so proud of myself that I actually did that, and I have other designs and templates that I made while making these designs. So anyway, I shall be right back. So I am making some of the cupcake toppers from the little punches that I just showed you. So some of the bow ties, some of the onesies, and the mustaches. And so I was making a couple other ones, but that's what I have so far. Mustache and a bow tie. So they will be all in the colors, those four colors: black, white, blue, and gold. So the other thing is I'm making confetti and cupcakes with that punch and table confetti with this as well, and toothpicks. So toothpicks will have those 3 images as well as table scatter. I also wanted to mention, I forgot one of the fonts from Mr. What's the Fantastic fonts. That one was from, no, I just forgot it. Oh, Days and Dates. And the number 1 is from Dates and Dates. So everything I have extra printed, I'm going to give to them. I'm going to package it up, but I'm going to give it to them as table scatter. And then the other part of Wonderful was from, I welded it together. The other part, DERFUL, is from the font Baby Steps, and the 1 is from Dates and Days. The bow is from, I think the bow, wait a minute, the word Mr. is, the mustache is from Holidays Through the Years, Iron On. And then, trying to look at my projects, because I know people always ask me what they came from. Let's see. I think it's a photo prop. Nope, Billionaire is the bow tie, and the top hat is the photo booth. So anyway, I think that's pretty much all of the images and where they came from. The last section, I'm sorry, text message came in. This is the last thing I made, and so I just think these turn out so cute. So these are, I got these letters from Michaels, and I use my just some, what's that paint from Walmart, the folk plaid thing, and I painted them. They're a little rough, but anyway, I just sold them first and I painted them. I cut that out from the Photoshop on my Cricut, and I layered it several times, and then glued it up here, and I painted both of those colors, the gold and the black. I love this. And again, that is the one I made. This one, the bow was made with that dye, some bling, and I just cut some strips for the suspenders to recommend, kind of like suspenders. And then the mustache also was cut on my Cricut. If I have a Billionaire, or it's one of the wedding stuff on it. I try to put it in my box below. Just inbox me if you have any questions about it. But anyway, I think it turned out so fab. So I just love that. I think he's going to have such a beautiful birthday party. So I'm excited about it. My first time making that as well. But I think it turned out really, really nice. So I am pleased. So anyway, if you have any questions or anything, hit me up below, or you got my email down below. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.